What's up everybody, welcome to another vlog. Before I go any further, today's video is sponsored by Baitbox. Go check them out. I will put all the links in the description. They are an online app that where you can buy baits and all types of lures and soft plastics, hard baits, with the click of a button. Awesome place, quick service. So yeah, check them out, and yeah, go use my discount code BassinatorTV, which I'll put on the screen here. You'll get a 5% discount on your order. So yeah, go support them. They're a local supplier, and they'll help you with all your needs. Now let's get to the video. Myself and Zaid were at Arabie about 2 weekends ago. We were there for 2 days, but first day we had a storm come through and we caught like 2 things before the storm hit us, and messed our first day up. But second day came out alright. In the morning it was a bit tough, but yeah, by midday we found a pattern and started catching them fishies. So check out the video, hope you enjoyed it. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Haha, enjoy!
Huh?
Big fish. Don't jump, please. Don't jump. Don't jump.
It's the same fish? Imagine. Oh yes, come on.
Yes, baby!
I love it's the same shit as you, bro.
Oh, dude. Yes, dude. Yo.
At least your camera, mine wasn't rolling. But you got all this footage.
There we go, guys. It's another tank. Some photos here, please.
Another good fish.
Tank.
Not a tank.
Okay, it's left back.
Is my camera on?
No.
Yo.
What?
I don't know, she's fighting though.
Nice, no.
Okay, we're doing this, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not that big, but
No, but it's fine. It's at least 1819. Yeah, nice.
just by moving up a little bit, you know? Okay. Hey, come on the club.
There we go, my boy. Oh, there we go, my boy. Take it easy, take it easy. I won't snap you, he won't snap you. That's a bigger, that's a bigger, that's a 3 kg. He's scooping. Ah, he's hooked, he's hooked. Okay.
Finally! Oh, what a beast!
What a beast, man. What a beast.
Hey? Oh my god!
Wall, and eventually, eh? Weightless sinker, I told you, dude. It's gonna help you now! You're getting it! That's like, let me see that.
What? What?
Well done. Well done. Well done. 2.9.
But give it that, you know, between the two.
Yeah, 2.93.
Okay, 2.93 kilos. Almost 13 of it. Okay, ready to go. He's ready for us to shake.
Huge.
Yeah, look at that mouth.
Fascinator! I'm sorry. Are you feeling better now? Are you feeling better now? Hey, no?
Hey,
Are
yeah.
you feeling better now?
Okay,
2.92.
2.92. That's gonna bring me up there, bro.
That's gonna help you a lot. Oh, you mean, yeah.
You know what I mean? So we're out a little bit. We've got 3 different layers to cast it.
Can move back there?
Again.
Vegan.
Yes, it's working, bro. Weightless sinker.
What color are you?
Little fish swimming around.
That green, dude. I'm telling you, that green, something about
Maybe,
that.
maybe the color, the red.
I like it. Are you throwing this one?
Nature's fireworks, bro.